Hello, VibeCloud admins. We're excited to show you the latest features for signup forms that are complete game changers. This is going to empower you to create complete personalized workflows for your customers in a way that is totally scalable for your business. And these can then be used for coupon clubs, which your users will absolutely love. Now we're going to start here with just the basics. This might cover things that you already know. And that is all right, because after all of the exciting things that come down the line start with just creating a sign-up form in your account. So we're going to make this example one right here. Add a couple of fields so that it's actually a form. And now we're just going to schedule a send for this form, which can be found over here in automations. And if you haven't checked this out in the last couple of weeks, this might look new. And we have trigger automations when someone signs up, aka creating an autoresponder. But you can also schedule sends, which is really useful for those coupon clubs where you can say, like, beginning of October, send out an email. Beginning of November, send out an email. And it's going to go to everybody who has signed up thus far. And we're going to do that right now. We are going to schedule a send. Now, while I'm doing this, it's really important that you know that when you are scheduling a send, and this is ultimately going to be sent for your clients, use merge tags everywhere. So for the signature, make sure you use a merge tag for that, not your signature, because it'll actually be your signature that goes out. So use your signature, and then also here you'll want to use like any personal information that's going to go. This will be then like their user information that is merged in. So for instance, like Facebook links, things like that, or job titles, those need to be all used right here. So then when we're ready to schedule our send, go right here, schedule email. Let's make this for November 1st. And there we go. I have now scheduled this email to go out. Now I want to show you some of the basics of copying these sign-up forms into your customers' accounts. So we'll go over here to sign-up forms, and then here is my sign-up form as an example. You'll find this under More, and then it'll be Copy Sign-up Form. And that's where we have a bunch of options that are made available to us. Up here, we've got the basic, this is literally like if I want to copy this into my own account, the most basic kind of copy, we can do that. But then here's where the cool stuff begins, where I'm able to do a one-off share basically here with account actions, copy into other users' accounts. And I'm able to choose various teams that I might want to copy this into. Now note here too that these teams are an opportunity for you to create a paywall basically. Like you can have a team that is just for people who subscribe to a particular package that you offer. And so teams are really useful for that. So here I can choose a team that this will get shared into. And then I have a couple of other options here for copy autoresponder and scheduled sends. So again, like the scheduled send that I just created, I can opt into either having that copied into their accounts or not. And of course, you can also have an in-app alert that is sent to them too, so that when the next time that they log in, or if they logged in at the time, they will receive a notification that this has been done and it's been put into their account. And then also here, I have a choice of when adding new users to the account, copy into their account. Now we are going to change some of this wording here, so it's a little bit more clear. But what this really will do too is anybody who's then even just added to a group will, well, if this is checked, anybody who's added to a group will then also receive this template. So as an example, I've got this team right here. This is called Newer Team, And if I have a customer who isn't currently on that team, but later they are, like let's say maybe it's based on a particular service or package that I offer. They're not currently subscribed to that package, but then in a month they decide that they want to do that. When I add them to the newer team right here, then they will receive this sign up form. And again, too, I have the option here of copying autoresponders and scheduled sends when this happens or not. So you have a bunch of different options here for how this can how this sign up form and its autoresponders and scheduled sends can all be copied into users' accounts.